Welcome to this video lecture on the case of Buenafe et al. Versus COMELEC, decided by the Supreme Court on June 28, 2022. We will examine the legal issues surrounding presidential eligibility and election law. In this first part, we will look at the factual antecedents, specifically the history of the 1997 tax conviction and the petitions filed regarding the 2022 elections. The case stems from a 1995 RTC conviction for failure to file income tax returns and non-payment of taxes. In 1997, the Court of Appeals modified this judgment, acquitting the accused of non-payment while affirming the failure to file returns, though it notably removed the prison sentence, imposing only fines. For the 2022 elections, two major petitions were filed. The Buenafe petition sought to cancel the certificate of candidacy under Section 78 for material misrepresentation, while the Ilabadan petition sought disqualification under Section 12, arguing the prior conviction involved moral turpitude and carried a penalty of perpetual disqualification. A threshold question arose. Does the Supreme Court lose jurisdiction to the Presidential Electoral Tribunal upon the proclamation of a winner? The court ruled that it retains jurisdiction, as the tribunal's authority only triggers once the winner officially assumes office at noon on June 30th. In this second part of the video, we will dissect the legal arguments and the resolution by the court, focusing on Sections 78 and 12 of the Omnibus Election Code. Regarding Section 78, the court addressed materiality and intent. It determined that the false statement must refer to a qualification for office, and found no evidence of a conscious, deliberate effort to deceive, ultimately declaring the certificate of candidacy valid. Under Section 12, the court examined moral turpitude. It noted that failure to file an income tax return is a quote-unquote malum prohibitum offense that does not automatically imply moral depravity. Tax evasion only qualifies as moral turpitude if actual fraud is proven. This table summarizes the two petitions. Both were dismissed. The Buenafe petition due to a lack of false intent, and the Ilabadan petition because the court found no moral turpitude involved in the prior conviction. The court also emphasized the democratic will, noting that with over 31 million votes, overturning an election result requires compelling and unequivocal evidence. In cases of doubt, the mandate of the electorate is respected. Finally, the court invoked the rule of immutability, stating that a court cannot read into a final, executory judgment an accessory penalty that was omitted by the deciding court, the dispositive portion of the decision control. Thank you for watching this video. The case of Buenafe versus COMELEC remains a definitive guide on pre-election remedies and the importance of final judicial outcomes. These are the image sources used throughout this video.